ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives Restaurant bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai le kai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
ka Joint Action Committee jong ka Meecl Suppliers and Contractors ha ka arpo terek jong kulalingkot arajar arpoi kalai kendo ya James PK Sangma Budaya Menteri jong Sorkar Jela bapet yakatnat penmi boarding ban pensngo lor ka jing Pyndam no jong ka Board of Directors jong katnat Meecl Energy Corporation Limited ya ka work order nak benta ban Shna penhe ya ka jaga sam boarding ka ba shispa laipu ar kilowatt ka badan Mawlai Chairman jong Joint Action Committee jong ka Meecl Suppliers and Contractors uba H Romnong habe keren bagi lapatai ko bor lo yatho ba ka Meecl ka IT ya ka work order ban Shna penhe egni ka jaka penmi boarding hau Bnai nailar risau arajar kat kendai Henry Hadien riu Bnai kendet kensan hau luber arajar arpo ka Meecl kala Pyndam no egni ka work order wat Hadien bagi supplier kila depth hit igitar kibakot hadu R.9 riu kelur tengkah.
So we are having a grievances today. We have met the Honourable Power Minister, Mr. James Sangma. He has been very patient during our discussion. We have had two issues with him. Number one is the Mawlai substation, where some of our friends who are suppliers and electrical contractors have been victimized. They have been giving work orders in the month of, if I'm not mistaken, October last year, 2019, for the work of augmentation of the 132 kV Mawlai substation. So after a gap of 6 months on the 3rd of March 2020, their work orders have been cancelled. So the total work that have already been supplied and executed on the ground is rupees 2,46,67,990. It is a very unfortunate and arbitrary action taken by the Meecl, by the Board of Directors, I would say, without going to the details of the matter. This is highly illegal and objectionable. So this is number one. The Power Minister will take personally on this issue to see that the work orders will be revoked. Number two is the turnkey projects. You must be aware that in Meecl we have 251 registered suppliers. We have 400 plus registered civil contractors, and we have approximately 500 electrical contractors who are doing the projects, the work on the ground, and more important, they have been engaging through hardships in the operation and maintenance works. But we regret to say that recently there has been a trend to formulate the projects on a turnkey basis. The turnkey projects basically is the concept where you are giving a particular work, a particular package of work, club together small works and formulate in one package and give to one company. You see, the ground reality is that what the company is doing, they source the materials from the manufacturers, from the distributors, from which we, the suppliers, the contractors, used to procure. And when they enjoy only to get the supplies, but the work on the ground is supplied to our local contractors. Because why? They are the ones who are in our state, they are the ones who know the nook and corner, so on and so forth. So we appeal to the Honourable Minister to take a call and revisit the policy formulation for future schemes and programs. So he has given us a commitment that he will have a discussion with the officials of the Meecl, the CMD, with the power department, and see that our problems and grievances should be addressed positively. So now we have passed a resolution that suppliers and contractors across the board will not go individually to any company who is come and executing any electrical works schemes in Meghalaya. So as a body we will decide what course of action we will take, whether we will cooperate with them or not. So we will thrash out this in few days' time.